Hey guys and girls, so today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken windshield washer nozzle in the back of a vehicle, as you can see right here. So what I've done is I had to get that piece out of there, which was this little piece right here. So what I actually did is I loosened up the inside trim just so that I could get that nozzle back, get that hose out of there. So now all we're going to do is we're going to put this guy back in there. And that's it. That's all it takes, guys. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to grab some grease. I see that there's a little bit of rust happening around there, so I'm going to put some grease around there just to kind of seal it up a little bit better. And then I'll snap it in and we're ready to go. So I hope you guys found that informative.